Kia ora, my name's Taya. Today I'm going to show you how to find a health and social service on Webhealth. Very first thing we're going to do is actually find the Webhealth website. We can do that by typing Webhealth into the search box and pressing Google search. From here we can simply choose the very first result, and that takes us to the Webhealth homepage. On this page, on the left hand side, you will see a map of New Zealand with coloured dots on it. On the middle of the page you'll see step 1, select a service, and then on the right hand side you'll see step 2. So if we go to step 1, select Community Notice Board and hit Auckland, we'll be directed to the Community Notice Board part of the Auckland Webhealth website. And this is just loading as we speak. There we go. Just loading up now. So if we hit back, we can also choose our region off the map here. Now this is the way that I prefer to do it. It's just a little bit quicker. So the region's just there. So today I'm going to be working in the Taranaki region, so I click on the map and we're directed to the Taranaki website. Now if we look at that there, the very first page you're sent to is the Find a Health and Social Service page. So that's pretty easy, isn't it? What we need to do now is figure out how to search for our search term. So perhaps we wanted to search counselling. We could just type that in the box and press go. Now this will load up a list of results. We have 109 different counselling services that load up. So that's very helpful, but maybe that's just a few too many. We can actually choose to narrow that down by choosing counselling from this drop down list and expanding our Advanced Options tab. Now this Advanced Options tab gives you a chance to filter out your search, and you can filter it in a variety of ways, and we're going to quickly run through those now. For example, you could filter down by subcategory, so you could say I would prefer to find a counsellor who works with issues related to anger management. You could also filter it down by area, so looking at a counsellor based in New Plymouth and in New Plymouth City itself. You might prefer a counsellor who works with adults. You might also prefer to work with a female counsellor or a male. That's an option as well, obviously. So you can pick that. And you can also choose your language. So I am going to choose English. Okay. On this side here you can choose whether you want someone who works from a kaupapa Māori approach, a service that specifically works with Pacific people, etc. So you can choose that there. You can also choose cost options as well. Now this is quite important for a lot of people. So in our example I'm going to say I'd like to find a counsellor who charges less than $30. But as you see there are other choices there. Less than 30, and I'm going to choose an accredited counsellor, so that means that they perhaps belong to their professional body. Could also choose some other options there as well, ACC registered, family court, or a member of the PHO. So we've put all these different filters in place and we press go again, and we've really filtered down our results to one specific counselling service that work with anger management, with a female counsellor who speaks English and charges less than $30. So there we go. And you can look at the counsellor's profile, look at the address to find out if it's close enough to you. You can visit their website, see what services they work with. Alright, So that's a very, very quick example of how to search for a health and social service on Webhealth. The best way to learn yourself is to actually give it a go. Go to your region and just do a few different test searches. And if you have any questions or if you get stuck, give us a call 0800 932 432, or you can email us on webhealth@webhealth. Thank you very much. Bye bye.